glasses are so cute, but they just keep reflecting off of. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be a quarantine haul. These are all the things that I have, well, most of the things that I've bought while we've been in quarantine. A lot of them are pretty practical, like they're not like, I haven't been like out buying a bunch of clothes or anything. A lot of these are pretty practical things that I've bought during quarantine. And I wanted to put them all in a haul for you guys. A few of them are like, I have a few jewelry pieces and stuff that I want to show that I got before everyone was on lockdown, so I'm going to be showing those as well too, because I haven't showed them in a YouTube video yet. But if you guys are new here, please do not forget to subscribe and follow me on my Instagram, because I post on there all the time. I've been posting on there almost daily since we've been in quarantine, and you guys can get to know me a little bit more on there because I post so often. And yeah, I would love for you guys to join our little family, and if you're bored, you can go ahead and binge watch all of the videos. I've been posting twice a week during quarantine, and yeah, just making the best of the situation, trying to entertain you guys, entertain you guys as much as I can during this time. And I really hope that you guys have been enjoying these videos that have been going out. For all of my new subscribers, hi, thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for supporting me and finding me interesting enough to subscribe and watch my videos. But I don't want to make this intro too long. Let's just go ahead and jump right into the video. So I think I'm gonna start with beauty related items. So first I want to talk about these little clips. These are the little like beauty clips people have been putting in their hair, like to do their makeup and get ready. I know I don't have that much hair on my head, but I just think that they're really cute. I bought these on Amazon. I got 3 of these, like 3 trays of these, I think for like $6. They're super inexpensive. They're really cute, and I just thought it was like, I don't know, something cute, something fun to buy. And then another thing that I've been getting is these claw clips. You guys can see I have one in my hair. The one that I have in my hair right now is from Walmart. And then these little baby ones I got on Amazon. I thought they were really cute, and I honestly thought that they were bigger when I ordered them online. So I guess I can only use these if I'm doing my hair like half up, half down, but they're really cute and also really good on your hair. So you're not like putting in a really tight hair tie or like in a bun or ponytail, and it doesn't like make your head hurt. It doesn't give you a headache. So really good find on Amazon. Another good Amazon find, a lot of these are a bunch of like Amazon stuff, and I will have everything I talk about linked down below. So if you guys want to check out the links down below, you guys can shop all the links down below. Anyways, the next thing I have, I keep them in these little tray, but they're reusable cotton rounds. So I found myself, they're like cloth cotton rounds, and they're kind of big too, so you can like cover a big surface. I found myself, every time I ran out of cotton rounds, I would wait months to go buy more. I don't know why. It was just one of those things that like, you don't think to buy, and one you don't want to buy. And so I got reusable ones, and I'm obsessed. I'm so happy that I did. They one, are super big, so I can cover like a larger surface area, but it's also nice that I can just wash them and replace them as I go, because especially now with everything being so crazy and you're trying to limit how often you're going to the store and stuff, and when you run out of stuff, it's just such a hassle. At least these, you'll always have them. You'll never run out. You can use them to take your makeup off. You can use them to apply your toner. Like, they're so versatile. And if you're looking for a way to save money like when it comes to beauty products, and if you are also looking for a good way to kind of help the planet and reduce, reuse, recycle, then those are a really good pickup. Okay, this product is really weird, but I felt like it would be useful to a lot of people, especially with how crazy things are right now. So I bought this, and I'll put the actual box on the screen if I can find a picture. And basically it is the Sally Hansen stripless wax. It's just hard wax, and I use this to like wax my body. You can use it to wax your face, and I don't know, I just thought like if you can't go get a wax, then why not just do it yourself at home? And I was pleasantly surprised that this really did not hurt. It comes with like a lot of things. It comes with like a little pad that you can use, and it helps with like irritation, and it makes it like not hurt as bad. But I don't know, I just thought this was really practical. And I don't like shaving because I get really bad razor bumps and I get super bad scars, so it just like wasn't worth it. So I went and bought this. It was only $9, and one, you save a lot of money, and two, it's just like, it's a necessity, and so it's nice that you can do it from your house. Okay, moving into the like fashion beauty products. This one product I'm so excited to talk about. If you follow me on Instagram, you know exactly what it is. It is these blue light glasses that I have been so obsessed with. They're so cute. I wanted to wear them for this video, but the ring light just flashes in them and it's so annoying. But they're so cute. They're clear glasses, and I honestly didn't think that I would like clear glasses on myself, but I got these and I'm obsessed. And it also came with the black pair. It was 2 of them, I think, for like $20, something like that. And I wore them the other night and they really helped. I was like doing homework all day, and I was editing a YouTube video, and I realized that like when I was done with everything and I was editing the video like in my bed, it was like super dark in my room, and I just had like my little lamp on, and I didn't get a headache, and it didn't like affect me going to bed that night. Like I went to sleep no problem and slept like a baby. So I highly recommend, especially now if you're doing online classes and you're just trying to help your eyes during this crazy time and having to stare at a computer screen all the time. I highly recommend. I love them, and they're really cute, fashionable. Going along with more glasses, the reason why I got the blue light glasses was because I am staring at a computer screen all day for classes, but also the glasses that I have now, like my actual prescription glasses, I cannot stand them. They fall off my face. Like if I like tilt my head down, they literally slide down, and I can shake my head and they will just fall off my face. And it's so annoying. I get headaches because I like subconsciously am trying to hold them up, and it's just like, it gives me a headache because I'm using extra force to keep them up, so then I don't wear them. But it doesn't make sense for me to have my contacts in. But anyways, you get the point. So I ordered a trial kit off of Warby Parker, and this isn't an ad or anything, but I ordered a trial kit off of Warby Parker, and I tried on a bunch of their glasses. I tried them on in a vlog that I recently posted. If you guys want to watch that, I'll link that above in the little eye. And these are the glasses that I ended up picking. I went ahead and ordered them. They're really cute, and they're kind of similar. Sorry, I just kicked my tripod. They're kind of similar to the clear ones, but they're like a brown tint. I don't know. I feel like they make me look smart, and they're really cute. So yeah, I ordered these and super obsessed with them, and they actually stay on my face. So yeah, I ordered this trial kit, and I'm just waiting for them to come in, but I wanted to be able to show you guys the frames before I went ahead and sent these back. So yeah, I am super excited about these, and they're like, it's practical. Like I need glasses. I haven't bought new prescription glasses in like, I want to say like 6 years, since I was in high school, and that was a long time ago. So it was just time for me to upgrade, honestly. Okay, now into my favorite part is all of my like jewelry, like that I've recently gotten. So these big chunky hoops I've had forever. If you guys follow me and have been watching my channel for a while, you know about these. I wear them honestly every day. These are from Love AJ. Then I got these really pretty like dainty earrings. These are from Lily Clasp, and I got these like almost a month ago, and yeah, I just have them on both ears. Super cute. And then this necklace that I have, it is from Ellie Vail. I actually found them on Instagram, and I just was needing new jewelry. I honestly am just sick of the jewelry that I have. I feel like I wear the same things every day. You guys see them, you're sick of seeing them too. So I wanted to get new jewelry pieces. I've always loved like the layering look, and I've always wanted to have like a super large jewelry collection. So I ordered the necklace and I got it, and I was obsessed with just like the one, it ships so fast. I got it, I want to say in like 3 days. The customer service is amazing. Like everyone who works for that team, if you guys ever watch this video, you guys are so sweet. And it was just, I don't know, you could see all of the work and like love that goes into the brand, and I really appreciate that. And I wanted to show you guys, like, it comes with like a little card, and it like tells you how to take care of it. And then it also, like, on the back they like send you a thank you card. It comes with this like super cute dust bag that you can like travel with, and they also come with these like clear bags. It's so practical. Like, you could put all of your jewelry pieces in here, travel with them, they don't get tangled. Like, I don't know, I just really appreciated everything that went into the brand, and so like 100% want to keep supporting them. And they actually had a flash sale on their Instagram. They had everything. They're basically like pieces that they weren't able to sell full price. They may have like been damaged a little bit or like had a scratch or something, so they sold those. They sold them in a sample sale, and everything was $25. And throughout this entire quarantine, they've been doing 30% off of their website. So I ended up getting this bracelet for $17.50. It's just a super chunky like link chain bracelet, and I'm obsessed with it. It's so cute. And I think they're actually having another sample sale tomorrow, actually the like day I'm posting this. Hopefully it's up so you guys can see it before, but I think I'll post it on my Instagram. And yeah, I don't know, I just really love the brand and had to mention these pieces because they're so cute. Okay, last few items. My mom was ordering a book off Barnes & Noble, and she was rebuying the Michelle Obama book for me because something happened to my first one. And so I got the Michelle Obama book. I've been reading it and I'm obsessed. I like to read it. Again, I posted in my last video of me and like a day in my life as a nurse. I was like reading it that morning, and I don't know, I'm just obsessed with this book. I'm obsessed with her and the way she writes and just her like mind, and I just think that she's so elegant and she's so beautiful, and I just am obsessed. So it's such a good book if you guys are looking for something to entertain yourselves. I'm not a big reader at all, but I'm obsessed with this book. I think this is the first like book that wasn't school related I've read since like I was in high school. Honestly, I'm not a big reader, but it's such a good book. And then last, I don't actually have the item with me. I'm still waiting for it to be shipped, and it is a misguided set. I'll post a picture of the model with it on. And I know loungewear has just been such a big commodity these past couple of weeks, and so I wanted to get myself a nice little lounge set, and I love that Misguided sells tall pieces. Like, I am obsessed with being able to find long lounge pants because that is such a like luxury for me. I'm not able to find long pants that like touch the ground and are comfy. It's just not a thing for me. Like, I actually have on some right now. I'm exposing myself. I have some on right now, and these were actually from when I was in high school and I was playing club volleyball. Like, I still keep them because it's so hard for me to find. Like, I do not have another pair of yoga pants like this in my closet. So I ordered myself a cute set, and I know that their sweats are super nice. A lot of people have loved the boohoo sweats, and I know just loungewear has been super popular because everyone is trying to be cozy and comfortable in their houses. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that if you liked it, that you'll subscribe, and make sure you leave me a like down below, and make sure you guys follow me on my Instagram. Like I said, I post on there way more, and if you follow me, then you'll see all of these pieces on my Instagram. And I hope everyone is staying safe. I hope that you all are okay and are surviving, and my prayers go out to you guys. Thank you all so much for supporting me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm gonna go ahead and end this video, but I love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next one.